I'm criminal defense attorney Michael Becker with the Colorado Legal Defense Group. Ketamine is a Schedule III controlled substance. It's used legally as an anesthetic and by licensed professionals, but it's also abused recreationally. Street names include K, Special K, Jet, and Cat Valium. Simply using ketamine is a Level 2 drug misdemeanor in Colorado, punishable by up to 12 months in jail and $750 in fines. But possession is much more serious. A Level 4 drug felony that can mean up to 1 year in prison and a $100,000 fine. If you are caught selling ketamine or possessing ketamine for sale, penalties get harsher depending on the quantity. Having over 112 grams is a Level 1 drug felony, carrying 8 to 32 years in prison and up to $1 million in fines. Even amounts under 7 grams can lead to felony charges. However, pre-trial drug diversion programs are available to some defendants who do not have a criminal record or who have not been convicted of violent felonies. If you complete the court-mandated treatment and possible probation, then you can avoid serious jail time and your misdemeanor charges will be dropped or felony charges reduced to a misdemeanor. If you or a loved one is facing criminal charges related to ketamine possession, don't wait. Call us immediately for a free consultation at 303-222-0330. The attorneys at the Colorado Legal Defense Group will fight to get your charges reduced or dismissed.